Take a tour of the functionality inside DriveWorks used to create document outputs. Find out how you can use DriveWorks to create custom Microsoft files driven by values from your configurator. Explore the text-based outputs you can create using DriveWorks and how they are completely configurable. See how custom PDFs are generated based on your data and rules. Learn how to use DriveWorks to create images of your forms, SolidWorks files, and 3D visualization to help you communicate product options and data inputs to your users. Explore the tools available inside DriveWorks which enable you to create custom configurable document outputs. Find out more about DriveWorks document technology and other areas of our technology at driveworkslive.com.